Hi, everybody. I'm still Ms. Lee, so we're going to do another example. We'll have one more example after this, and then you'll be doing some practice. So write a rational equation given a horizontal asymptote of y equals -1/2, vertical asymptotes at x equals 3 and x equals 4, and x-intercept at -8, 0. So what I'm going to have us start by doing is writing factors for each of the zeros, poles, and vertical asymptotes. So for the vertical asymptotes of x equals 3 and x equals 4, we should know how to write those like just by looking at them. So you just do x minus and whatever it is. And so remember, for vertical asymptotes, we're going to put them in the denominator. The x minus 3 and x minus 4. And then for the x-intercept, same thing. Since this is a whole number, we'll be able to write it easily as a factor. So the x-intercept, as you know, should be in the numerator. And that's going to be x plus 8. And then the horizontal asymptote of y equals -1/2, we'll take that into consideration later. So if we write these as a function, we have x plus 8 over x minus 3 times x minus 4. Well, when you have a horizontal asymptote, you know that the degree in the numerator and the degree in the denominator have to be the same. Are the degrees in the numerator and denominator the same? Well, no, they are not. In the numerator, you'll see that you have a degree of 1 because there's one factor. In the denominator, you have two factors, and so therefore it's a degree of 2. And so these are not equivalent degrees, and so you have to include an extra factor in the numerator. So this can be any factor. It can be like x plus 5, x plus 8. Maybe you shouldn't do x plus 8 since there's already x plus 8 there. It could just be an x. So this can be any factor. Okay, so this can be any factor. Okay, and once you have that, you can just put your horizontal asymptote in front. So now that the factors are equivalent, you can put the vertical asymptote in front. So -1/2. So you don't really need the 1 there, actually. Okay, so something to take into consideration is if any of these did not start with just x, like if one of these was like 2x, then you need to take that into consideration as well, because that would affect the leading coefficient. But since all these are just x's, we can just do -1/2 in front. Okay, let's do some practice and then see you in the next video. Happy day.